Unleashing the power of child's pose, stretching and relaxation through yoga. Child's pose, also known as balasana in Sanskrit, is a fundamental posture in yoga that is often used for rest or as a starting position. This pose is simple yet incredibly beneficial for both body and mind. It involves kneeling on the floor, folding your body over your knees, and extending your arms forward or alongside your body, creating a sense of surrender and relaxation. The concept behind the child's pose lies in its ability to blend stretching with relaxation. While physically, it gently stretches the hips, thighs, and ankles, it also calms the brain and helps in relieving stress and fatigue. Meanwhile, its restorative nature fosters a sense of peace and tranquility and prepares the body and mind for further challenging postures. Understanding the anatomy of child's pose is key to reaping its benefits. The position requires you to fold your torso over your folded legs, stretching the back while allowing the front of the body to relax into the floor. The arms, extended forward, provide additional stretching to the shoulders and further help in relieving tension. Child's pose isn't just a rest position, it is packed with physical health benefits. One of the top advantages is improved flexibility. As you stretch your back and extend your arms, you allow your body to become more flexible, particularly targeting the spine, shoulders, and hips. This increased flexibility can lead to improved mobility and reduced risk of injuries. Mental health is as important as physical health, and child's pose caters to both. The pose has a calming effect on the brain, which can help reduce anxiety and mental stress. The act of folding forward can be incredibly soothing, providing a refuge from the outside world and allowing your mind to focus inward. It's a form of meditation that encourages mindfulness and presence in the moment. Back relief is one of the salient benefits of practicing the child's pose in yoga. This pose involves a gentle stretch of the spine, which can help alleviate tension and discomfort in the back. It also promotes better posture by lengthening and realigning the spinal column. The child's pose isn't just beneficial for your back, it's also great for your digestive system. The manner in which your body is folded in this pose stimulates the abdominal organs. This increased stimulation aids in the digestion process and can help improve overall digestive health. If you're new to yoga, the child's pose could be an ideal starting point. It's a relatively easy and comfortable pose to hold, making it perfect for beginners. Moreover, it can also help create a sense of calm and relaxation, preparing the body and mind for more strenuous poses. Deep, mindful breathing is another important aspect of the child's pose. The position encourages you to slow down your breath and focus on each inhalation and exhalation. This can help to improve lung capacity, decrease stress levels, and enhance overall mental clarity. If you're struggling with sleep issues, the child's pose could be a helpful solution. It promotes relaxation and can help prepare your body for sleep. By reducing stress and anxiety, it helps to combat insomnia, guiding the practitioner towards a peaceful, restful night. Child's pose can be an essential tool for athletes, enhancing their performance through effective stretching. It allows them to gently stretch their back, hips, and thighs, areas that are often strained during rigorous sports activities. Furthermore, the calming nature of the pose can help athletes focus and mentally prepare for their game. Incorporating child's pose into your daily routine can be beneficial, regardless of your fitness level. This pose can be performed in the morning to wake your body up or at night to help relax your muscles after a long day. Regular practice can improve flexibility, promote better digestion, and reduce stress levels. Child's pose is also suitable for the elderly who are looking for a safe and effective stretching exercise. It's a gentle pose that can be modified based on individual ability and comfort levels. Consistent practice can help enhance mobility, improve posture, and promote overall well-being. The therapeutic benefits of child's pose are not limited to physical health. It can also aid in recovery from injuries. The pose encourages slow and controlled movements, promoting healing without straining the body. It can stimulate circulation, alleviate pain, and speed up the recovery process. Combining child's pose with meditation can create the perfect blend for achieving inner peace. The pose provides a physical anchor for mindfulness, helping you stay present and focused. Meanwhile, the meditative aspect encourages deep breathing and mental relaxation, fostering a state of serenity. In the realm of yoga, the power of personal experiences cannot be overstated. Stories of transformation through child's pose are plentiful, with many individuals finding relief from physical discomfort and mental distress alike. These narratives serve as a testament to the pose's effectiveness, inspiring many to incorporate it into their daily routines. Addressing common queries and doubts about child's pose is crucial to its widespread adoption. Some of these include the correct posture, eligibility, frequency, and possible modifications. By answering these, we can ensure a safe, effective practice for all, regardless of age or physical ability. Lastly, the impact of child's pose on overall well-being is profound and lasting. It not only aids in physical health by improving flexibility and digestion, but also promotes mental well-being through stress reduction and improved sleep quality. It is a holistic approach to health and wellness.